Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, March 10th, 2014, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I looked at all the stuff that happened on Friday, absolutely horrible day for us, and then I did the spreadsheet for February, finished it up, it's posted on the website. Man, I couldn't believe it. We made over $150,000 in February, so I got to say, after a run like that, it's not surprising that we're hitting some, kind of choppy period right now. It's kind of hard to trade. Today was not so bad. I mean, it wasn't anything like Friday. We actually closed out over $6,000 in winning trades today. Most of that came out of that great trade in Palo Alto, PANW, and that was a great trade for us. We are actually closing, carrying nearly $2,000 in winning trades going into tomorrow, and that is a miracle because we got hit in this horrible trade in DL. That's China Distance Holding. Oh man, just a horrible trade, down almost $5,000. In spite of that, we're still carrying positive $2,000 going into tomorrow, so we can't complain. The system is trying to hold up, but this is not a real easy period. Dow closed down 34 points today, and in spite of that, we had an overall positive day, so I can't complain. Anyway, let's take a look at the charts. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average here, and you can kind of see what happened today. It's kind of interesting here. We had two days of this kind of sideways action that was all above the red line. Today, this market definitely penetrated that red line, and this was a fairly respectable sell-off at this point. But note how it did come back, and interestingly enough, it actually closes above the red line. I'm definitely looking at this and saying this market is really winding up for another strong push to the highs. I don't see it going down from here, but again, who knows? We'll just have to see. Anyway, it looks bullish to me. I'll show you, we had some good trades today, in spite of that one really bad one in DL. This first one, this is an Autobutyl, and we're in this trade. We got into it right away. It, like all our good trades, it started out kind of bad, slightly negative, but then it got better and better. And what I really like about this trade, it had a nice push up right at the end and closed at its high. So I think we're going to see some good follow through in Autobutyl tomorrow. Show you another one. I got very insulting about SHLD, Sears Holding Corporation, a while back because it just kept getting into these trades that it couldn't hold, and I actually had a little flashback today because we got into this thing and then it immediately went fairly negative. Then it got up here, got pretty good up here, but then fails again and actually comes back down to negative. In the last 45 minutes a day, had a good push up, and we are holding over $2,000 in open trade equity in Sears Holding Corporation. I got to show you the last thing. I showed you this yesterday, but we finally did get out of PANW, Palo Alto Networks. This has only been a 2-day trade. We jumped into this at this first burst of energy we saw not yesterday, but on Friday, and then it failed. We're down. It looked like a bad trade, and then boom, 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 really climbed up here. We were holding a lot of money on the close. We come in today. I was a little bit nervous. What if this thing starts selling off? And it comes up here, and we get out of that almost exactly on the high, almost $7,000 we took out of Palo Alto Network. So just an absolutely great trade. Anyway, in spite of one nasty trade we got into, we had a pretty good day. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.